Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. Today we have a very useful video. If you are using Microsoft Remote Desktop and find that pressing Ctrl, Alt, and Delete only affects your local machine instead of opening the remote computer's security screen, I will show you exactly how to configure your settings and successfully send that command right now. Let's get started. First, before you actually connect to the remote machine, we need to adjust your application settings. Press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open the Run dialog box. Type exactly mstsc and hit Enter to launch the Remote Desktop Connection window. Instead of hitting Connect right away, click the Show Options arrow down at the bottom left corner to expand the advanced settings. Next, click over to the Local Resources tab at the very top. Look for the Keyboard section, and under the Apply Windows Key Combinations drop-down menu, make absolutely sure you select On the Remote Computer. This setting tells your local keyboard to directly pass important system-level shortcuts through to the remote machine, no matter what size your window is. Finally, go ahead and enter your credentials to connect to the remote computer. Once your desktop session is active, do not use the standard Delete key. Instead, press the Ctrl, Alt, and End keys all at the exact same time. The remote client recognizes this specific combination and perfectly translates it into a standard Ctrl, Alt, and Delete command, giving you instant access to the remote machine's task manager, lock screen, and logout options. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.